Got a perfect solution for you. Just don't down the brace. And out to the garage you go. Done.
You guys thought my house was clean, but it's not. So all of this over here is going to be storage because obviously we need a garage. So right here is going to be my backdrop, my outfit of the day section, and all of that goodness. And I'll actually probably put my outfit of the day section here. So outfit of the day, filming, storage. All right, Caleb, are you ready to go to the store?
Nope, I'm playing a game.
You told me you'd take me to the store 5 minutes ago. I literally just came in and talked to you and you said you'd take me to the store, but you probably don't remember because you were playing video games. Seriously, just pause the game so we can go.
I can't pause the game, I'm playing live.
How many times do I have to tell you unpausable games ruin marriages? Turn the Xbox off and let's go to the store.
Fine, I'll turn it off and run all my progress for you.
Good, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks.
Okay.
I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to.
Then the living room part is right here.
Is that food I see you preparing? A home-cooked meal for your sexy man husband?
I always pick a home-cooked meal. Home-cooked, healthy, for
Yeah.
you. Is he gone? Where is the microwavable rice? Found it! Microwavable rice. He thinks I'm a fast, quick cook and that it's gonna be healthy. We don't got time for healthy. This, 90 seconds. He'll never know. Okay, so this is the dining room and kitchen area here. If it blurs, I'm sorry, it has been blurring. Okay, so one of the things that I love about this place is a concrete floor. Go ahead and show it, Caleb. So the only thing that's kind of a bummer is it's not gray, because you guys know that I love grays, whites, and blacks. But generic, boring people, I shall say, like tans and browns. These are some of my favorite pictures. This one is from our honeymoon and our wedding. Little cake pictures, so cute. And look at my nephew, he's the cutest thing ever. Oh, stop it. Look at the way he looks at him. So stinking cute.
Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me.
Okay, so one thing I love about this table is the legs and then also the little feet chair leg, the chair legs as well. This is gonna be completely remodeled and redone. This is the little kitty corner. And again, nothing is fully decorated or put together yet. What's you doing?
Hanging out with God? What are you doing?
Just wanted to see what you're doing. I'm just bored.
Babe,
What?
I'm having like a really cool encounter right now.
Seriously? You never want to talk to me.
Ricky, yes.
Are you done yet?
Seriously?
What? You've been speaking in tongues for like an hour.
I know, and it hasn't been long enough, and I'm enjoying myself.
How much longer?
5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Rokuyamashandarabi.
Caleb, it's been 10 minutes. I want to watch This Is Us. You said 5.
Get.
Okay, I'll be on the couch.
Through the waves, I want to be where nobody. Baby,
this is room number 1. And all these carpets will be removed. They're absolutely hideous, but for some reason they thought that I was gonna want a brown, crusty, dusty, nasty carpet. If it ain't black, white, or gray, I don't want it. This is my favorite part of the house. I have named him Squishy. Wait, is the camera on?
Yeah, I think I forgot to turn it off.
Oh my gosh, that's weird. They can see the room, but they can't know what happened in the room, if you know what I mean.
Awkward.
Hasn't shown me all adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Alright guys, that was a house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. We love this house. It's nice and big and new and special, and the Lord totally provided it for us. So we hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to
Cake up that makeup.
yes, and we will be back to makeup tutorials next week.
Bye-bye.